You're now a teacher who's taken a powerful step toward bringing real world STEM and geospatial learning into your classroom. By joining the SheMaps membership, you've unlocked everything you need to build confidence, spark curiosity, and create meaningful learning experiences for your students. Now, you're going to start with Classroom Drone Essentials, our practical, hands on professional development designed for busy educators. It gives you the skills to teach drone and geospatial concepts safely, creatively, and with clear links to the Australian curriculum. From here, you now have access to a full library of primary and secondary units of work, each one packed with real world challenges that build problem solving, teamwork, and critical thinking. And whether your school has a full drone program, a single drone, or none at all, every unit is designed to work for you. You're also stepping into a community connected to industry. That means the Geospatial Careers Guide, plus exclusive presentations from professionals using drones, GIS, and spatial technologies every day, giving your students a window into the future of work. You've joined a membership built to support you, inspire you, and help you create future ready learning.